You think it's important to be represented in a new home subdivision? I think so, and I'll tell you why. Hey, Nate Martinez, wanted to share an exciting story that just happened this past week. We had a relocation buyer come into town. They wanted a brand new home in a brand new subdivision. We found that perfect subdivision. We got them in. Bottom line, this subdivision is not even open for another 4 weeks to the public, but we were able, with our connections, to get them in to a new subdivision out in the Northwest Valley in Surprise called Stirling Bridge. We were one of the first 50 people to be in this complex that week, all invite only. We were able to find our client a house. But let me tell you, it was about 6 hours on Saturday, and we'd already been there before in a sneak preview, but 6 hours on Saturday, sitting down with the salespeople, looking at lots, looking at floor plans. I think they have over 34 different floor plans, but we really only focused on about 4 or 5 that met the client's needs. Went through all the options list, all the way through. Very trying day. The next day we came back again. That was the first day that they were going to allow people to put earnest money down for a lot hold and to go into contract. We spent another 7 hours there on Sunday. So think about that. Just in 2 days, it was 13 hours just at the location. That doesn't take into consideration everything that we did up until that point and other properties that we talked about or showed them. And then we have to go back one more time for the rest of the contract, and then through the process over the next 10 months or so of construction. We're going to be their advocate. We're going to be recommending home inspections. We're going to be there all the way through the process. So if you're thinking about buying a new house, think about calling us first. We can save you a lot of time, energy, and money. We have the experience to understand some of the problems that we've seen other people go through. We can help you avoid. Have a great day. Nate Martinez, RE/MAX Professionals. Talk to you soon.